Hey, Dee.
I hope he doesn't get scared.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to save a baby bird.
Harry, what are you talking about?
There's a baby bird. There's a baby bird right over here. And I don't want it to die.
Look, he's so little.
He's so tiny. I don't want him to die.
Okay, so what are we going to do?
I'm gonna
What's
try.
the plan?
The plan is to try and see.
Yeah, I see you have a piece of cardboard.
If I can scoop him up, and I would like to put him on a tree, but I don't.
We read about that on the internet.
But I don't know if this is even going to work or if he's going to freak out.
Okay, here we go.
Here we go. Okay.
I don't want him to fly into my face.
He might freak out. Hi. Yeah, go ahead. Oh, there we go. Oh, yeah. Oh, you're so teeny. Oh, you're so tiny. There you go. There you go. There we go. Oh, 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 poopy.
He pooped? You scared the shit out of him.
I did. I didn't mean to. No, 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 no.
Oh, he's opening up his little wings.
He's trying.
Oh.
I'm trying to get you somewhere safe.
We're trying to help you, baby bird.
It's okay.
Oh my God, that's really, really cute.
Oh, it's like a little chicken.
He's chirping like a little chicken.
Like a little chicken right here. Where's my chicken? Oh, where'd he go?
Brooklyn, what are you
I
doing?
think Brooklyn's not making this.
Brookie.
Where'd he go? We might have lost him. I don't see him. I don't know where he went. I don't know where he went. He's gone. Are you kidding me? Oh, here he is. Oh, here he is. Oh, God. Oh, baby.
Maybe we could put him in this planter.
Okay.
Is that far enough off the ground? I mean, the rats probably won't bother him there.
I just don't want... Yeah, Brooklyn, no, take Brooklyn.
Brooklyn, come on. Brooklyn. This is important. It's not dog business.
It's okay, it's okay.
Whoa!
It's okay, it's okay. No, no. Oh, God. Oh, my God.
Brooklyn is so old. He does not even care. You have to get underneath him. Oh wait, I wonder if we should get like.
I want to.
Yeah, can you do that? Want some tissues or something? And
What if I just?
up?
I was gonna. Are these?
No, these I'm giving these away.
Oh,
but not something too. You want something thin? Here, try this.
Try to feed these babies.
No, it's I mean, it's we're giving it away.
Where'd you go, little one? I like
Brookie, stay away.
I like that he's hopping this much.
And his wings are going out when he hops.
Right, so
I don't see where he went.
here he is.
Oh my God! Wait, hold on. Let me shine the light on him so I can get a good shot. Okay, Birdie, we're trying to help you, not hurt you.
We just want to
Here,
get
I'll hold this.
Okay, we just want to get you. I don't know.
Wait, hold on. Let me get it on film.
I don't know if I'm going to be able to do this. He's so squirrely.
Just throw it over him.
This is the worst.
Gentle, gentle, gentle. He's very, very fragile. Can you feel him in there?
Yeah.
Maybe he's like a horse. Like if he has blinders on, he's not going to freak out.
That's what I'm hoping. Okay, I got him. Now where am I taking him?
To that flower bush, right?
This one over here.
God! Oh! Oh! What happened? Oh my God.
Oh my God.
How did you drop him? What happened?
He freaked out in my hands.
Don't drop him again.
I won't. Okay.
I can't believe you thought this wasn't going to be a good video.
Oh.
Don't hold him. Wait, okay, hold on.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
If he pokes my eye out.
Where am I taking him?
That tree right there.
What? Oh my God. Okay, I have to be silent, and that thing is giant.
That thing just, what is it?
It's over there. It's flying right.
Oh my God, it just flew into my boobs.
Okay.
It just like fell out of the tree and flew into my boobs. Yes. Okay. It just flew into my cleavage.
Why do I still have a bird in a bathing suit right now? Oh my God. And you so... Okay, do you see anything that's a good spot? I don't want him to drop.
Yeah, just put him...
In this spot here?
No, I think higher up. Put him right there.
Where? He's not...
Right there.
I don't think he can cling up there.
Well then put him... Put him right here.
Where?
How about right there? Where? I cannot believe that bug just flew into my cleavage.
I can't believe I'm still holding him and he's... No, I'm not gonna be able to reach up there because he's big. He's bigger than you picture.
Oh my god, that thing just flew
That was
into
a
my
huge bug, and I'm still holding a baby bird. Okay.
I feel like I still have the bug on me.
I feel like you do, but you don't, because I saw how big it was and it flew away.
Are you sure?
I'm positive. Honey, there's not a good spot for you, dude.
How about in there?
In here?
Is there anything in there? How about right? Okay, wait, what about right there?
Where? That spot. Okay.
But maybe go around there.
It's like the longest video in the history of, oh, I stepped on something gross.
Oh, it's a flower.
Yeah.
No, it's a flower. It's not
Look at
dog
him.
poop.
Look at him.
Hi, baby bird. What's his name? We have to name him before we put him in the tree.
Oh, I don't know his name.
Hector?
Okay, Hector, please,
All right,
please,
Hector,
please
just
make it.
Just
So we're gonna
cling
put
to
him
a
like
branch.
in here, you think? If he falls, I'll be so pissed. You got it? You got it? You're not holding on to it. Hold on. You're not holding on. You're holding on to the bathing suit. Come on.
Can you tie the bathing suit to the tree and just leave it there?
Oh my gosh. I could. I'll make a virtual nest.
Yeah, and then he'll
That's even
eventually
better.
hop out, right?
And that's even better. Oh my god. I'm making a virtual bird nest right now.
Out of a bathing suit.
Okay, if I can.
Where's his head?
His head is up. Just don't, wait, careful. I just don't want to screw this tying up. Oh, I can't feel it. Okay, I feel it. I feel it. I'm just glad he's not jumping. Okay.
Hold the lid. I'm gonna try to get one last over Hector.
God, look at Hector with a little vertebra on the bathing suit. You probably get it better from the other side.
Okay, hold on. Diane, you just did such a good deed. I can never. Oh, yeah.
Look at the face. That's his virtual nest.
Hi, Hector.
I hope you're here tomorrow.
I hope you're safe. We love you.
Stay cozy.
Bye. Sorry about the bugs.
Sorry about all of it.